Okay, this is a waterfall in Savusavu. Not as big as the one in Tavuni, but another beautiful waterfall. And here we got one of the villagers who's going to go and dive from the top. So he's climbing up. Yeah, aye. This is Fiji Spider-Man. Fiji Spider-Man. Fiji Spider-Man. Wow. And he's right on the top. And he's about to dive down. Here you go. Awesome. Look at that. Hey? Our Fiji Spider-Man can go and join the Red Bull Dive tournament. We got Spider-Man in the blue t-shirt, and we got Cockroach Man on the